What's up, guys? Crazy ride here. Mega truck flips over trying to rescue a mega truck. I hydrolocked my Dyna trying to follow the mega trucks through a trail and totally ruined my super sweet little diesel Toyota. So very sad about that. But in spite of those catastrophes, it was a fun day overall. My Pioneer 500 kicked ass with the 35% Tarachi gear reduction and the 32-inch Tarachi Aztex Tires. It went everywhere. I only got stuck because I was pulling someone out and I kind of buried it. Michael's Rubicon did really well. He's got the same setup, Aztecs, and that same gear reduction from Tarachi. Super fun day. There's a long version of this video on the Patreon page, and I also posted a short. For most of these big rides, I'm going to do that same thing where I post like a 5 to 7 minute video on YouTube, and then I post a short on YouTube, and then the long version lives on the Patreon page. So if you want the longer version, check that out. Links on the screen right here. Doing a little off-roading in the Dyna, but I'm trying not to go super deep in the Dyna, so I'm taking some of these crazy little tight trails off to the sides. Earlier I was on that side. This is where you want to be. Excellent, we did it. Ooh, he's out. That thing is sick. Wait! Dude, what a monster! That's like a 4-inch cleat! So obviously there's been a lot of rain since the last truck event, so this area was a lot more wet, and it got tore up a month ago, and then the rain came and it's just really soft and soupy. And of course you got big trucks digging big ruts everywhere, so you can definitely get stuck if you try hard enough. But it was a lot of fun. The problems for me happened when we left this area and went to the next one. You'll see what I'm talking about. Alright, so pulling glow plugs because the Dyna ingested a little bit of water. We just hydrolocked the shit out of it, pulled the glow plugs, and it's moving, I think. Alright, a little bit of water hole here. Nice and slow, don't splash anything. Okay, other than smoke? Not really, I think it's got a bent rod. You can't even see the top of the diff. This is the second spot all the big trucks are at. I think it might be called Sawgrass. I don't know, but it's super nasty. The lighter machines, like the side-by-sides, could kind of go around here if you kind of sit out of the truck ruts, but man, in the center, where the trucks had tore it up, it was almost impassable and people were getting stuck really bad. No, but it's a good idea. So this was an absolute shame. This is an awesome truck. He's always the guy rescuing everyone else. And he had ropes hooked to the front and back of him. His rear hitch was kind of high and the ropes were at an angle. So when they started to pull, it just tipped him over. There's nothing he could do about it. It was pretty sad. Back! Let's go, come on! Holy shit!
That's awesome.
We're dragging 3 people.
High five, man.
We got 1 on the cooler. All right. Not bad, not bad. All right, hold on. Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Just keep in the middle of the channel, you'll be good.
I know it. So fucking badass.
I forgot to mention in the beginning, I did get a Vessel Power Sports promo code for you guys. So use the promo code at the bottom left there for 10% off your entire order on Vessel.com.